Today we give the front end of this 2020 Mustang GT a far more aggressive look with a custom chin spoiler from Cervini's. This is the Cervini's C-Series chin spoiler. It's going to fit your 2018 through 2021 Mustang. This will fit all Mustang GTs. It'll fit your EcoBoost if it's equipped with the Performance Pack option. It's going to be a direct replacement for the factory splitter, made of high-quality ABS, and it's installed using mostly factory hardware and a couple small pieces of double-stick tape. So we don't have to remove the bumper to install our new spoiler, but we do have to get basically the belly pan and everything underneath off. So we'll start with these two push pins here, and then two further back in the splash shield. Then these two inside here. And do the same thing on the other side. All right, now the belly pan has to come off. We're gonna remove basically these two push pins here, then every screw around the front, two here and two here to remove the belly pan. All right, now we have to remove our factory spoiler. To do that, it's gonna be 3 of these clips on each side and then additional screws across the front. There's gonna be 10 screws across the front. We're gonna remove those next. And slide the spoiler forward to remove it. So right in these corners here is where your 3M double stick tape's gonna go. It's gonna give them a good cleaning first with some alcohol, make sure we get good adhesion. Keep it somewhat close to the edge, cut off the excess on the top. And before the new spoiler goes on, this edge right here is where the tape's gonna go on the body. So again, get a little bit of alcohol, make sure you got a nice clean surface there. All right, now we're gonna put the spoiler up into place. Make sure all these clips go underneath. We're gonna reinstall these clips on each side, little push pins. If you have to, use a little awl, just kind of center everything. So the screws for the belly pan are gonna go through the belly pan into our spoiler and into the factory location. So what you wanna do, basically just make sure all these holes are lined up using an awl. You use a screw too, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure when the screws go up through the belly pan, because you won't be able to see it real clearly, that it is somewhat lined up. I put the belly pan up into place. We're just gonna start by putting the 2 plastic clips into place. And we're gonna put the 2 screws here in the middle. And I'll get our belly pan in the right location. Now we can start installing the ones in the front. And once the front screws are in, put the 2 back ones in. All right, now we're back in the wheel wells. We'll install the clips we took out earlier. Make sure the belly pan goes up in the splitter here, and we'll line up these holes. Push pin will go through all 3. And same thing on the other side. All right, the last step, pull off the red backing for the tape. Give it a good push against the bumper, and your installation's finished. Our Cervini C-Series front splitter looks pretty much OEM when it's installed, but it's a far more aggressive look than the factory splitter, especially in a non-performance pack GT, or again, an EcoBoost with the performance pack. As far as installation goes, pretty straightforward. Give yourself about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and be back on the road in no time.